In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color and theme on Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to personalize your browser, make it feel cleaner, and give Chrome a look that matches your style. You can change the browser colors, switch themes, and even adjust the background appearance so your new tab page looks exactly how you want it. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This works on most Windows and Mac devices, and it only takes a few seconds to get started. Once Chrome is open, click on the New Tab button so you can access the Chrome homepage. This is where you'll find the customization options. On the New Tab page, look for the Customize Chrome button, which is usually in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on it and Chrome will open the customization panel. From here, you'll see several options that let you change the look of your browser. If you want to change the color, look through the available color choices and click on any color you like. As soon as you select one, you'll notice the browser color changes right away. This is the fastest way to give Chrome a fresh new look without installing anything extra. Now, if you want a different overall style, click on Change Theme. This opens the theme section where you can browse more design options. Scroll through the available themes and click on any one that catches your eye. Chrome will apply the theme automatically, and you can instantly see how it changes the appearance of your browser. Depending on the theme you choose, you may notice changes to the tab bar, background, and overall visual style. You can also keep experimenting until you find a theme that feels right for you. If you want something simple and clean, choose a lighter design. If you want something bold and colorful, go with a more vibrant theme. And if you ever change your mind, you can always come back and switch it again later. That's one of the best things about Chrome customization. It's easy, flexible, and completely reversible. Once you're happy with the new color and theme, just close the customization panel and continue browsing. Your changes will stay saved, so every time you open Chrome, you'll see your new personalized look. So that's how to change the color and theme on Google Chrome. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.